Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining me. This is Maxi Limit. Today we are going to do the unboxing of the HP laptop 15DA0008CA. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. As always, we are going to go around the box and show you some of the details that comes with this product. At the back of the box, you will see more details about the product. Without further ado, let's crack it open. With a little bit of struggle and hard work, I was able to open the box. Inside of the box, you will see some instructions. So basically, this is your quick start guide, which is always recommended to read through it if you have never used a laptop before. And as you can see, if you dig deeper inside the box, you will see the laptop itself. And as always with every new product, it is shiny and beautiful. So how will the laptop turn on if we don't have a power connector? There we go. Inside of the box, you will also see a power cable, which will help you to connect your laptop. And to be fair here, HP was very kind to be able to include in the box steps for you to make your computer work. So it's highly recommend you to go and read those quick start guide. It looks like we have more paperwork in the box. Well, more reading. Yes, I know this is the moment that we have been all waiting for. Let's crack it open. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the HP 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop. On one side of the laptop, you will see two USB ports, one HDMI port, one RJ45 port, and the spot for you to plug your power connector. On the other side, you have another USB port and your memory card slot. HP laptops are mostly quiet and don't heat up too much, but if that happens, then you have the spot for the heat to dissipate. This particular HP laptop has a silver color, but the inside of this laptop is black, including the keyboard. And as you know already, this is a touch screen laptop. And from the first look of this looks really premium and very beautiful indeed. This laptop is powered by an Intel Core i5 with 1TB of hard drive and 8GB of RAM. As I'm demonstrating here, this laptop is very light. Overall, this is an amazing laptop and I highly recommend you to get one if you want to. This will help you to get your job done, and also this is the Christmas season and this can also be a very good gift for your kids. And if you decide to go get one, don't forget to check in the description below. I have put all the link for you to purchase this through Amazon. So I have decided to take you through where I purchased mine from, and this is from Best Buy. And disclaimer here, Best Buy did not sponsor this video. I'm just showing you this because you guys are my viewers here. So unfortunately, I was not able to find my exact model, but I find something similar because this is almost the same computer with different specs. Look, mine was HP 15.6 laptop, silver as well as this one, but mine was Intel Core i5 and 1TB of SSD and 8GB of RAM, and has a Windows 10 as well. But on this specific model, as you can see, it has an i3 256 and still 8 gig of RAM. That's why the price is a little bit lower here, but mine was around $899. And again, this could be a very good gift for your kid or for yourself for Christmas, right? So I just want to take you through this website so you have an idea about how this look on the website. So you have also, if you want to go and buy, you can also use this website if you want. But like I said, remember, on the description down below I'll put a link to be able for you to be able to buy this through Amazon, because I have an affiliate link for you that I'll put down below. And if you purchase anything from Amazon through the link, I'll get a very small percentage, and that will help grow the channel for me to be able to bring more content. Okay, nothing different, same color, same spec, and not same specs, but same design and everything. And then if you go a little bit into more information about it, you can read through it. And if you go to details and specs, like I said, screen size is 15.6, resolution is 1366 by 768. This particular version said no touchscreen, but mine has a touchscreen. And the processor, again, a little bit different, but like this particular laptop too is not bad, right? So if you don't do any heavy application or any heavy game about it, this should hold up good. And 8 GB of RAM, same as mine. What else? We already know, called USB port 3, and you have a different type of port here. And then network, this has a Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5. The battery have 3 cells. The battery capacity is 41. And the software that this laptop comes with is Windows 10 Home Edition. It's bilingual. You can choose whatever language you want. And software, well, you have a lot of details. Okay, and this is pretty much it. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And this is Maxilimate signing out.